Hi, I'm PJ from TreelineUSA.com. I'm here today to teach a little about the Helvie knives and why they make such an amazing knife for wood carvers. Let me show you a little about the Helvie knives. We've been selling them here at Treeline for the last several years, and they've been some of our favorite to recommend to people. As you can see, the blades are beautiful. Each one of them has a little bit different color to them, and with a polished, sharpened blade right out of the package. And it's truly carving ready. You know, some knives will require a little bit more of a hone to get them ready to go, but the Helvie knives are awesome and ready to go right out of the package. And so there's several different handle shapes available too, depending on kind of what fits your hands. One of the most popular ones we sell is the finger groove handle like this, and it seems to fit into most people's hands just right. But what makes these knives so great for wood carvers is how flat the bevel is. Coming from this part of the blade, the thick part of the blade, up to the sharp part, it's a very flat bevel. And so it doesn't round to the point, it comes straight up to the point. And that allows you to get in and out of your cut a lot easier. And so let me show you right here. Just have a piece of basswood, and like with any time you carve, you should always be wearing your carving glove and hold on to this. Notice just how easy this sings right through the wood. It's a nice clean cut, even cutting, you know, on the end grain like this. Again, it's a nice clean polished cut, and we haven't done any of these knives. Just took them right out of the package, and they come sharp, ready to go right now. And so, like I said, there's a few different blades available. This is the roughing blade, so just a little bit bigger. It's about 1 3/4 inches long. And then we also have a detail blade that's about 1 1/4 inches long, so you can just a little bit finer tip, getting some of those tighter, harder to reach areas, and even a few others. And then again, a few different handles styles available. This one right here, a lot of people first see it and think it's kind of short, but by the time you choke up on your blade and you're holding onto your project, it fits quite nicely in the hand. So, but depending on your preference, your hand size, and how you like to hold on to the tools, there should be a handle just right for everybody. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video today. The Helvie knives have truly been some of our favorite to recommend to our customers. There's a lot of really good tools out there, but Helvie would have to put them right at the very top. So to pick up your Helvie knives or see what styles are available, visit us at TreelineUSA.com. And for more videos like this, please click to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.